Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. Here is an important recruitment notification from Aeronautical Development Agency. So let us see the details of that particular notification. So here, in order to see this notification, you need to use the URL ada.gov.in. So once you enter this one, in the latest news column, there is advertisement number 130. Recruitment of project scientists on program-based limited tenure contract appointment. So this is the notification that was released, and here you can see the link for notification. Application link is there. There is a self-declaration form which you have to fill. Then certificate and undertaking for Divyang certificate, format for Divyang, EWS format, SC/ST format, like this. There are certain formats. So you need to see that particular formats, and whatever is required for you, you have to fill that form and then upload. Okay, now let us see the detailed advertisement, dear students. Here, coming to the advertisement here, Aeronautical Development Agency, Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Online application is mandatory and advertisement reference number is given here. So try to remember this number, advertisement 130. So this is what is the advertisement number, and here you can see the recruitment of project scientists on program based limited tenure contract appointment, and this was notified on 12th March 2025, dear students. So the notification was released on 12th March 2025 and the last date to apply is 20th April 2025. Till that date, online application will be available in the portal. Okay, now see here. Coming to the tenure, so initial period of 3 years and extendable as per rules based on performance and requirement of the project or program. That is what he is saying. And you will be getting a role of project scientist B and project scientist C here. So for project scientist B, a consolidated pay per month of 90,789 rupees is there, and total 105 vacancies are there. And depending upon the discipline, so the number of vacancies are differing. For computer science and engineering, total number of vacancies are 26. And coming to the qualification and experience, at least first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology from a recognized university or equivalent. So this is compulsory requirement, dear students. And if there is master's degree or PhD in relevant discipline or valid GATE score or working experience up to 3 years in one or more of the following areas, that is also good. So design and development, testing in the field of embedded software systems with programming language ADA or C or C++ or Java or .NET, Python, SAP ABAP, including knowledge of computer networks, database, AIML and server administration. So these are desirable qualifications, dear students. So essential qualification is first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology. This is mandatory. This could be there, or if it is not there also, it is okay. Then who can apply? Equivalent acceptable subjects of essential qualification. So here computer science and allied branch people can apply for this. And here they have given the list of degree holders from these particular specializations can apply for this post. That is what he has mentioned here. Computer and communication engineering, computer networking, computer science and automation engineering, technology, information technology, computer science and engineering or technology, computer science and system engineering, computer science or engineering and infotech, computer science or engineering or technology, computer science, technology and informatics engineering, technology, information science and engineering, technology, information technology and mathematical innovation, software engineering or technology. So any other relevant discipline with qualifying degree which mentions computer science as the main discipline also can apply, dear students. That means computer science and allied branch engineering students can apply for these 26 posts that are available, and category wise distribution of the posts is given here. You can go through that. Then electronics and communication engineering, total number of vacancies are 16 vacancies. So here the essential qualification is at least first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology from a recognized university or equivalent, and the desirable qualification is master's degree or PhD in relevant discipline, valid GATE score, working experience up to 3 years in one or more of the following areas. So embedded systems, digital RF systems, control systems, optoelectronics, avionics, flight test instrumentation, sensors, independent verification and validation, quality assurance. Then the departments, so who are the students who can apply for this particular posts are applied electronics and instrumentation engineering students, electrical and electronics engineering students, electrical with communication engineering, electronics and communication engineering, avionics, electronics and communication system engineering, electronics and computer engineering, electronics and control engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronics and telematics engineering, electronics and electrical engineering, electrical communication engineering, industrial electronics engineering, radio physics and electronics, telecommunication and information technology, telecommunications, electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, and any other relevant discipline with qualifying degree which mentions electronics as the main discipline. So that is what he has given. So kindly go through that, dear students. Electronics and allied branch engineering students can apply for this. Then coming to the next discipline, electrical and electronics engineering or electrical and instrumentation engineering, 15 vacancies are there. So here also first class bachelor's degree is being asked, desirable qualification is same like the previous one, and here working experience of 3 years in one or more of the following areas: power electronics, control systems, electrical systems, quality assurance, like that. Then so here also he has mentioned multiple specializations, so which the students who have taken can apply for these particular posts. Then coming to mechanical engineering, 33 vacancies are there. So at least first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology from a recognized university or equivalent. So here master's degree or PhD in respective discipline is desirable. Valid GATE score or working experience up to 3 years in one or more of the following areas he has given: aerostructures, mechanical systems, propulsion systems, actuation systems, production, composite components, CAD, CAM, CAE, PLM, quality assurance, like that he has given. And for metallurgical engineering, 2 vacancies are there, dear students, and aeronautical engineering, total 13 vacancies are there. So for all these degrees, the essential qualification for all these posts, the essential qualification is first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology, and the respective specialization and its allied branches students can apply for these posts. And the last date to apply is 20th April, dear students. Now, the second part of this particular notification is related to Project Scientist C, and consolidated pay per month is 1,08,073 rupees, and total 32 vacancies are there. So for this Project Scientist C, working experience is also essential, dear students. Okay, so computer science and engineering, total number of vacancies are 5. So first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology from the recognized university or equivalent. So minimum 3 years of working experience in one or more of the following. So software engineering of embedded systems, real-time operating systems, programming languages, ADA, C, C++, cyber security, computer networks with security features, AI/ML, VR, server administration, and desirable master's degree or PhD in any discipline. Electronics and communication engineering, 6 vacancies are there. So essential qualification is first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology. Essential working experience is 3 years of working experience in one or more of the following areas: graphics processors, FPGA, software defined radios, digital RF system, AESA radar, integrated navigation system, testing of avionics systems, like this there. Then electrical and electronics engineering or electrical and instrumentation engineering, 4 vacancies. So at least first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology from recognized university or equivalent. So minimum 3 years of working experience in one or more of the following areas: electrical integration, design of electrical systems of aircraft, control systems, testing, quality assurance, reliability and safety. Mechanical engineering, 12 vacancies are there. At least first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology from recognized university. Minimum 3 years of working experience in one or more of the following areas: working experience in design and development, modeling and simulation, assembly, integration, testing, quality assurance, reliability and safety of mechanical systems, detailed design, stress analysis, fatigue analysis, production, maintenance of aircraft structure. That is what he has given. Metallurgical engineering, 1 vacancy is there. So you can go through the notification carefully. Aeronautical engineering, 4 vacancies are there. Then eligibility For recruitment, so academic requirements as described above for different posts, the applicant should ensure that they satisfied the eligibility criteria as on the closing date of the advertisement. So that means the people who have completed the engineering, they only can apply. So if their engineering is getting completed before 20th April, so they can apply for this, dear students. Then candidate should be in position of first class degree certificate awarded by a recognized university. Candidate should possess the prescribed experience in the relevant field as mentioned under the column qualifications and experience, and must have documentary proof for establishing the fact. So the prescribed essential qualifications experience is bare minimum, and mere position of the same does not entitle candidate to be called for personal interview. So there will be a personal interview, so for which you need to be shortlisted based on your qualifications and experience, dear students. So first of all, in the online application form, you have to enter all the details. Now let me show you the online application form. See, for online application form, here he has given application link, dear students. So application link, if you click, so here it will come like this: recruitment of project scientist on program based limited tenure contract appointment. So copy the below link for application ada.gov.in/adv_130/. Okay, so dot means you don't put dot, dear students. So you need to use this URL in order to register: ada.gov.in/adv_130/. So here you will be having advertisement, then registration for new user, login page for already registered user. Now if you click on registration link, so here you can observe application for the post of project based technical manpower. So here name of the applicant, name in block letters as per in 10th SSLC matriculation certificate, date of birth DDMM YYYY format. Are you an ex-serviceman? If you are not an ex-serviceman, put no. Are you an serving government employee? So you have to select this. So if you are a serving government employee, then you need to get some certificates from your current employer. So that all details were mentioned in the notification. Then email ID should be entered, enter mobile number and password. So you need to create a password and confirm password. Then there will be a picture in which some digits, numericals or alphanumericals will be there. You need to enter that and then go for register. All the information here should be mandatorily filled, dear students. So once you register, you will get the login credentials. Like by using those login credentials, you can go here. So advertisement number 130 is there, login here, email ID. With email ID and the password which you have created, you can log in, dear students. Once you log in, the remaining application form will be coming. So where you have to upload the documents, photo, signature, everything. Okay, now let us go back to the notification here. So weightage for higher qualification will be given based on the following conditions: post-graduation qualification in engineering, 1 year of weightage; doctorate degree in engineering, 3 years of weightage. So dissertation of ME, MTech or project dissertation thesis in case of doctorate degree in engineering must be in the field of relevant to be required area of experience for the given post. That is what he has given. The monthly emoluments related information is given again, dear students. Project scientist B 90,789, project scientist C 1,08,073. Annual increment of 7% will be provided on gross salary after completion of 1 year from the date of joining. That is what he has mentioned. And age limit for project scientist C not exceeding 40 years he has given, and for project scientist B not exceeding 35 years. However, there is age relaxation of 3 years for OBC, 5 years for SC, ST and up to 10 years for Divyang and PH candidates. That is what he has mentioned. Only Indian nationals need to apply for this post. Okay, then candidates are required to first register online at the ADA website. That is what I have already shown, the registration form and the login form clearly. So all the serving candidates, whether in permanent or temporary capacity, working in government or in government owned organizations, government proposed societies and government non-government companies, agencies, entities where government or government promoted companies, agencies So informed in writing to their cadre controlling authority that they have applied for the post in ADA. So you need to upload a signed declaration that they have informed in writing to the cadre controlling authority. So that they have applied for the post in ADA, and in case of any objection, the employer may communicate with ADA. So at email admin-hr.ada@gov.in directly within 15 days of the closing date of online application form. So that is what he has given, dear students. So this is for the employees who are working in various government related organizations. Then weightage of higher qualifications to be equated as experience only when the higher qualification is in the relevant discipline. That is what he has mentioned, dear students. Documents to be uploaded online while filling the application form. The maximum file size of each document or certificate to be uploaded should not exceed 500 KB and it must be legible. So when the printout is taken, then for that the applicant may scan the certificate into 200 dpi grayscale. That is what he has mentioned. Date of birth proof, self-attested matriculation certificate. Self-attestation is required, dear students. High school certificate, birth certificate issued by the appropriate authority. A recent passport size color photograph. Size should not exceed 30 KB. So size should not exceed 30 KB and resolution is 110 by 140 pixels. And scanned sample of candidate signature, it should not also exceed 30 KB. So 110 by 140 pixels is the resolution that is given. Self-attested certificates, testimonials regarding essential and higher qualification, along with mark sheets, caste, ex-serviceman, disability, all the things. The candidate, whether in government service or in government-owned organizations, so they need to upload a signed declaration that they have informed to the cadre controlling authority in writing. So that is what he has given. In case of mismatch in candidate name or parent's name of the candidate as mentioned in the application form with any of the document certificates being uploaded, the relevant affidavit in support shall essentially to be uploaded. If any document certificate furnished is in a language other than English or Hindi, a duly self-attested transcript should be uploaded. So required caste certificates, then if you are from armed forces, you need to get a release certificate that needed to be uploaded. So all these things are there, dear students. Coming to the screening and shortlisting, screening of received applications will be carried out at multiple stages, including for all applications received within due date, administrative screening will be carried out for verification of identity, age, essential and higher qualifications and length of suitable experience at initial stage. Then for all administratively eligible applications, technical screening will be carried out for verification of suitability of experience possessed by the candidates with the experience requirements advertised. Okay, against the each vacancy, technically screened applications, biodata based technical screening will be shortlisted for further selection process by adopting any one or more of the following methods on the basis of educational qualification and experience higher than the minimum prescribed thing, relevance of experience as filled in the application form, on the basis of desirable qualification if more than one DQ is prescribed on any one or all the DQs, by holding a technical screening committee meeting including technical experts from ISRO, BARC and DRDO, by conducting short online interview of 10 to 15 minutes to further shortlist the candidates. So there is a chance of 10 to 15 minutes online interview also. Okay, so for one post up to 12 candidates, 2 to 3 posts, 24 candidates. So like this preliminary online interview screening in the form of 1:12 ratio or 1:6 ratio depending upon the requirement they will be doing, dear students. Okay, based upon the performance of the preliminary online interview, candidates will be shortlisted for the final personal interview in the following ratio. So 1:12 is the ratio, dear students. So coming to the selection process, the shortlisted candidates will be advised to appear for final personal interview to be conducted as per the rules at the venue and date which will be intimated through a call letter. Candidates serving in government or government-owned organizations will be required to produce a copy of proof of their communication with their employee, that is the intimation regarding their application for the desired post. The minimum qualifying marks by the candidate in the personal interview for consideration for selection are 70% for all unreserved vacancies and 60% for all reserved vacancies. Okay, and the closing date of online application form is 20th April 2025, dear students. So kindly go through the entire details so that were mentioned here. So they have given allowances, gratuity, travel entitlements related information, everything was clearly mentioned in the notification. So kindly go through each and every part of the notification so before applying. Okay, the last date to apply is 20th April 2025, dear students. Okay, thank you, all the very best.